In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Brother HL-L2405W to your PC Windows computer, and also show you how to print using the Wi-Fi and your PC computer. So let's get started right away. The first step is to actually go on your printer and connect it to your Wi-Fi network, the same network that your PC is currently on. So let's get started by doing this. We're going to press the up arrow to navigate through the menu. Press it a few times until you see network. Then confirm by pressing OK. Once you see WLAN Wi-Fi, press OK once again. It will say find network, press OK, and it will start searching for all the Wi-Fi networks that are currently around the printer. Now use the up and down arrow to navigate through the names of all the networks that the printer has detected. So this is my Wi-Fi network. I'll press OK. And we'll have to enter the password. Now, unfortunately, there's no keyboard, so it'll be a bit hard to do it. But by using the up and down arrow, you're going to go through all the numbers and then all the letters. Okay. And once you have selected, let's say your password starts with an H, well, you're going to press the OK, it will register, and then you'll go to the next one, and same thing. If you have characters, press the down arrow and you'll go through them first before going through the numbers and letters. If you have capital letters, they'll appear right over here as well. This can take a few minutes, so let me just do it and come back when I'll have written my whole password. Oh yeah, and by the way, if you want to delete, simply press the back button and it will delete whatever you wrote there, and you'll be able to input the right character. Once you are done entering the password, you're going to press once more on the OK button. It will say apply settings, press the down arrow here to confirm, and now the printer is connecting to your Wi-Fi network. You're going to get the confirmation connected once this is done. Then on your PC computer, once your printer is connected to your Wi-Fi network, you're going to go over here where you see the Windows logo. Sometimes it's on the complete left side if you have an older Windows. Click on it and then select settings. You can also simply go in the search bar and type printer. So you'll be able to jump right into the printers and scanners menu. If not, by doing this slower route, press on Bluetooth and devices and then go down and select printers and scanners. Then select add device on the top right corner. It will search and your Brother printer should appear in this list. Here we go. This is mine, Brother HL-L2405W. Press on add device and wait a few seconds. It's currently connecting. It's installing all the drivers that it needs to run. And once you're done, you're going to see ready. Now open any documents you wish to print. Okay, perfect. And then simply press the print icon once you open your PDF file. On the left side, make sure that under printer, your Brother printer is the one selected. Make sure the number of copies is the one you want. And if you press more settings down below, you're going to go down. You'll also be able to select the paper size. If you want to scale whatever you see here, let's say you want to zoom in or zoom out. And once you're ready, press print. Wait a few seconds and the print will come out. Make sure this flap is out. This way the paper won't fall on the ground. And here we go. We got our print. Very quick. So this is about it. Thanks for watching. If you want to support my channel, check my Amazon affiliate links down below. Every time you purchase a printer, ink cartridges, paper through these links, well, I get a very small commission and it helps my channel. See you in the next one.